Hello and welcome everyone in English online learning. Now we will learn one of the poem from CBC class 8 English, and the name of poem is Macavity, the Mystery Cat. This poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat has been taken from the CBC class 8 English. The name of book is Honeydew. This poem is written by T.S. Eliot. Let's try to know something about the poet T.S. Eliot. He is an American-British poet. He was born on 26 September 1888 in St. Louis, Missouri, USA, and he died on 4th January 1965 in Kensington, and his full name is Thomas Stearns Eliot, and he is widely famous and known as the poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and editor too. His famous books are The Wasteland and Old Possum Book of Practical Cat, through which the present poem has been taken, The Mystery of Cat, the Macavity. Macavity, the Mystery Cat. This is a fictional, unreal character, has been portrayed by the poet T.S. Eliot. This poet has personified the cat as human being and named as Macavity, the bad character. So let's try to know something about this poem in the introductory section. So children, everybody is having the pet cat in their home, and they might have noticed something mysterious while they are jumping, while they are arriving, while they are departing, etc. But it is mysterious in terms of many things that the similar cat like a Macavity is sure doing many more things in compared to other cats. He is having power of levitation, means the power of floating in the air, etc. So the present poem is personified and humorous, funny, highlighting the bad people by means of the cat Macavity. So the present poem has been taken from the T.S. Eliot's book Old Possum's Book of Practical Cat. So the theme of the poem is, here some people are corrupt and criminal, and they are the evils of the society. And some people are also like a mystery cat with a great mischief, and they spoil the entire world. So thereby we can learn the entire poem with the same theme. So in this poem there is a single character one should study better, and it is none but the cat Macavity, and which is a mystery cat, which is a mysterious cat for readers. So first one is the mystery cat. The mystery cat is none but the Macavity. He has a mysterious, very strange power while walking, while jumping, while disappearing, while floating, isn't it? And the cat is a bad one because he is working for the bad elements like a stealing and hiding. And the same cat appears as a cunning, very much cruel, and while performing the cruel and brutal act, he is more cautious and careful. The cat is tall, similarly thin, and he always lost somewhere in the thoughts. Something is his mind is totally occupied with the various thoughts, and with the thoughts he is always appearing, doing something meticulously. And his coat is dirty, the cat is not maintaining the cleanliness, his entire coat, entire hair on the body are dirty, even his mustache, that is to be said as a whiskers, are also uncombed. So Macavity appears as a bad character and bad cat. So some difficult words come here in this poem: defy, disobey or resist openly. Here the yard, the headquarters of the London police force, flying squad, a group of police or soldiers ready to move into the action quickly. Levitation, floating in the air without any support. Fiend, devils. Feline, of course, from the family of cat. Depravity, the immoral corruption. Some key points also having in this poem, these are like this: the cat is mischievous and its name is Macavity, which doesn't appear as a good one. Even this Macavity is very much nuisance and mischievous for the people where he live. Moreover, this cat is personified. The cat is treated in the poem as a human being, and it's also resembling some of the people from the actual world. And this poem is an account of crimes, information about crimes committed by the mischievous cat like a Macavity. So children, let's try to see this poem in a deep explanation. See, Macavity, the mystery cat. The first stanza is: Macavity is a mystery cat, he is called the hidden paw. The another name is given for Macavity is hidden paw. Why it is hidden paw? Because when he walks on his paws, his arrival and departure is not noticed. That's why he is called as a hidden paw. For he has master criminal who can defy the law, and he is the master in the world of crime, and he can defy, disobey, resist the law, any law, isn't it? Law of rules, or sometimes law of nature also. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, and he makes confusion for the Scotland Yard, a group of police, isn't it? Where they are specially asked to stay to control the crime, and the flying squads despair, and the flying squads, the quick action force from Scotland Yard Police Department, always turn into despair, sadness, becoming confused while catching such a criminal in the form of Macavity. For when they reach the scene of crime, when this group of people, this flying squad from Scotland Yard, reach on the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So children, as I explained before, the defy means disobey, and Scotland Yard means headquarters of the London police force, and flying squad, group of policemen ready to move into action quickly. So in the first stanza, the poet has told and described the Macavity as a master criminal, isn't it? And that's why he is called as a hidden paw, because when he commits the crime, he is not seen on the scene of the crime or the site of the crime, isn't it? Even the Scotland Yard, having the flying squad, a group of police, also are unable to catch, as they are known for quickest action to catch the criminal, and they become confused. Second stanza is: for When they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, there is no one like a Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. In this stanza also, the Macavity is committing the crime. He is breaking the human laws, and even he is breaking the natural laws, law of gravitation. When he lands from the top of any building, and he lands very much slowly without care of gravitational force or pull. Moreover, he has power of levitation, floating in the space or air, and that's why he is somewhat different than the other pet animals or the human beings. And it makes fakir, even ordinary man's son, to stare, to look at something continuously. And when anyone is about to catch the Macavity is not found at the place of crime. So levitation means the power of floating in the air. Fakir means a son or any ordinary person. And ginger, here a person with red hair or any red object. Then in the same stanza, the poet has explained that the Macavity is committing the crime, isn't it? And his crimes are matchless because he commit the crime but he is not found. That's why it is a matchless. And it is impossible task he is performing, like a levitation, etc. And the Newton's law of gravitational force and floating in the air also astonished everyone, isn't it? And this is how the magical force of the cat confused everyone when committing the crime. So third number stanza is Macavity is a ginger cat. Macavity is a cat of red color. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him. For his eyes are sunken, went deep inside, and his brow is deeply lined with a thought because he is thinking something. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect, and his whiskers and his mustache are uncombed. Here we are finding the description of the Macavity cat. He always sways his head from side to side with a movement like a snake, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Children, here the basic physical description and his quality has been described. The Macavity is of red color, ginger colored cat. He is tall, thin, but his eyes are sunken, went deep inside, and his brow having the lines because he is thinking something, what act he should perform, isn't it? And he himself neglected, and that's why his coat, his hairs are dusty and dirty, his whiskers, that mustache are uncombed, and this ugly cat swaying, moving his head up here and there, just like a snake. It is a simile, like snake. And when you go there and you find it is a deep asleep, but it is a wide awaken. This is the quality of the Macavity cat. Macavity is a tall and thin cat. His eyes are also sunken, which we have seen, and his whiskers are uncombed. The last number stanza of the poem is Macavity, there is no one like a Macavity. The line is repeated often. It is a repetition. So he is a fiend, he is a devil, he is demon in a feline shape. Feline of cat shape, cat family shape. A monster of depravity, and his monster, he is a evil. He is a demon of the immoral corruption. You may meet him in a by street, nearby the street, and you may see him in a square, in a junction of the roads, But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. This is the quality. When a crime is occurred, happen, you won't be finding Macavity is there, and that's why it is very much mysterious for the people to catch hold him. And this poem is written by T.S. Eliot. So Macavity's evil and devil quality has been described here. The Macavity is committing the crime, doing immoral corruptions, and when people are about to catch him, he is not catchable. Children, here most important thought, do we remember from the Bollywood movie Don को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. Similarly, we can end of this poem as a Macavity as a dawn of the crime or criminal. Here we have some literary devices also, figure of speech in the poem, which enhance the quality of this poetry. The personification. The poet T.S. Eliot purposely treated the cat as a human being and brought thus a sense in the poem. Alliteration, the Macavity, the mysterious cat, is also one of the example of alliteration, repetition. Macavity, there is no one like a Macavity, repetition, simile. The cat, Macavity, is swinging his head like a snake and whatever. Devil's depravity means how the devil are committing the immoral corruptions. Similarly, the Macavity cat is also committing the immoral corruptions, and thereby we have also metaphor, figure of speech in the poem. So children, we have understood this poem, very nice one. This poem has the 4 stanzas. I hope you have learned this poem well. Let's conclude that Macavity is evil and devil character and cat, and he is committing the immoral corruption, isn't it? And when you want to meet and see or catch him where the crimes are committed, but you won't find this criminal and his crime when he is performing there. It is quite impossible to discover him when he is committing the crime as a criminal. So children, through this mystery cat, the poet has presented an very much mysterious character of cat, isn't it? And even it is a symbolical for some of the criminals or human beings. They are easily dodging, cheating some of the innocent people from the society. So I hope you understood the present poem of Macavity the mystery cat, and you will do the better. Thank you.